Boys, yo, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're gonna unlock. I think I have unlocked the new house, right? Wait, guys, please wait for a second. I'm back, guys. Sorry for that, man. Sorry for the fucking delay. Okay, Spectre RS. Yep, Spectre RS is 15, right? I want to play this game at the studio. What the My parents are not allowing me to play this game at the studio. This is my car. 56 along. Wanderer L30. Yes, I have 85k 900 INR. Learning history. Global. No. Profile. So this is Hachi. Where is. But I'm not driving that Hachi road. No, I'm driving a lynx. I have previously unlocked. 90 for 40,000. 1,800 for 6. I don't. Same level. Now we are drifting the lynx car, which is super good. Dudes, that was a marathon there. Create duo. The settings. What is it? The drivers. I'm gonna take some body kits for my lynx car. There's my lynx car. I also need to give it the livery. I want the first to be some YC spoiler or some YCS car. The YCS lynx. I'm gonna. How do you paint body kits? Yes. Body kits. Front bumper. Yuck. That's such a big smile. Rear bumper. Front bumper slide. In this rear bumper slide as well. Running boards. Slide roof. Stock on the side mirror. Stock in the mirrors. Hood. Slide again. Trunk missile. The trunk as it is the stock. Spoiler. YC one. This is which one does this have the spoiler? Okay, this is not the good spoiler. I want this one spoiler. This one spoiler. 5,000. is nothing. 2,700. Front lights. CBW. Exhaust. Stock. Roll cage. Steering wheel. Look at that. The stock one only, that's the stock. Let's get stock. Shift to also a good shift to very custom. The correct side seat. Correct dashboard. Okay, rims. That does the Hachiroku rims. Some other rims. I already raised her 7. Oh, that's not good. Indian cars rims. I don't need. Let's take spoiler. I need hood. Spoiler I need. Left and right. Don't need both. Body kits. I want the front bumper like this, rear bumper. $14,000. I don't want the exhaust. Paint. 3,000. This pink color just got. Okay, so this is good. Front bumper. How much this color cost? Wait, body 3000. Okay. How much is 1200? Okay. I'm gonna keep these only. In color 6. Very dark. Just very dark. Metallic. Cancel. Some white good car, white color car. I want this gray one. Rear bumper. Always it should be red. Yeah, white looks kind of good. This also looks good. Doors 1200. Roof, it obviously gonna have a red. Side mirror, red. Hood, I want the red hood. Trunk, red. Spoiler, red. Nut. Front rim. Front spokes. Okay. Cancel. Tuning. I need to only need 3 2. I want lynx, max, pants, max. Max Park. I want the spoiler. It has to be very big spoiler. Okay, this spoiler is good. CBW stuck. I don't like the CBW spoiler. Okay, front lights stuck. Shifter style. Rims. Not this one. Wait, this one I think is the trust. The video which I've done for use. I want the back rims. And there's some spoilers. $4. Okay. Rims. Yep, I have the spoiler. Yay, that's such a good spoiler. But I'm not less with money. Windows. Let's go into Windows. Car extra spicy. 2. Smile shapes. And at this figures. Lines, symbols 2. I don't want this. Vinyls. A W. Where is W? Tish. Meow. Meow. Symbols, 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 symbols. J, not J. I don't want the J. We will go to vinyls again, and we gotta go to the symbols too. What should we take? J. Okay, as per the limit. Okay. Peso. JK. JK. Okay. 700. Okay. So next one as well. No, I don't. No. I don't want the K as well. I don't want this K. How do we remove it? No. I don't want the K as well. Decals 1. I want to type something at the hood. Okay. C. R, where is R? R is here. R, C. I have mistaken that. Okay, can we put it at the tires? I gotta put L at the tires. JKL. The L. The L is just very big. There's already 18 minutes I have done. Okay, I got up. 360. I did a 360 at my bed. As you can hear the voice, please ignore it. Don't take it seriously. I want to take this at the tire. Oh no, we can't take it at the tire. Oh no, I want to do my car again normal. CarX Drift Racing do online. Sponsors CarX Drift Racing online. Okay, I want this. And at the hood as well. CarX Drift Racing online. Big CarX. I have these as every side. I wanna do that this side as well. I could make it a little big. I'm gonna make it big. Get get big. Why am I not able to do so? Big. Yes, you are big now. You're big enough. I have these stickers. I wanna make my car look ricey. Paint. Should be that. Not. It should be not. There's a K at the car. This looks ricey than I expected. I wanted that red. That should be as it is. I want this one, not that previous one. This is good. This is good. With a I wanna bake it big. Guys, do you know how I did it big? Arey. Not, it should be straight. Straight. What the? Okay, it's just slightly tilted. Okay, the carvix. I want this car to be on, to be here. Just make it a little big. There's something messing up with the car. Yep. Literally. Slap the subscribe button, guys, please. What are you doing? Slap the subscribe button. Able to make it big. Arey, I don't want the DD there. Oh, slap train. Okay, this is too more big. A little small. Yep, this is better. I want blue. Not. I want the normal one. Okay, so here's also the slap train. Am I doing it the same side? My car is literally slapped with subscribe buttons. We have just finished 3x3 and should be happy because there's something messed up with the sky here. Slap trend stickers. I want this part to be differ. Okay, that's more big slap than I expected.